friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Xencelabs new Pan Display 24 Studio series. So friends, Xencelab has introducing a new drawing display joins the company's full line of professional digital design tools including its Pan Tablet Medium, Pan Tablet Small and the Quick Keys customizable remote, creating a comprehensive portfolio of professional drawing tools available for creative communities worldwide. And friend, the Pen Display 24 offers a range of features and capabilities compared to competitive offering, including enhanced glare reduction and fingerprint resistance, edge-to-edge drawing surface, natural drawing experience, Pantone Color and SkinTone validation, and included tilt stand, VESA mount flexibility, silent and fanless operation, and security slot for Kensington MicroSaver 2.0 lock. And friend, it will be comes with all key accessories including tilt stand, and users start working immediately after downloading their preferred drive and plug-in in the display. And friend, the display's pressure curve has been meticulously tuned for optimal responsiveness and stroke-to-stroke accuracy, with the pen response adjustable to each user's drawing style. And the display features edge-to-edge tempered glass with Xencelabs Super Edgy etching for exceptional glare and reflection detection and delivering clarity even in bright rooms with overheat lighting. And the new display meets key performance criteria from Pantone, recognized globally as a trusted and familiar color system used across many applications. And friend, if I talk about pricing and availability, this will be available in the second quarter of 2021 and at the following price is $1,899. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.